So hello everyone, welcome to Anubhav, Understanding Student Leadership. Today we have the General Secretary of Hostel Affairs Board, Mr. Harshit Tomar with us.
Hello everyone.
To start with, how would you reflect on your journey as the General Secretary of the Hostel Affairs Board?
Yeah. So my overall tenure has been wonderful. I had worked on multiple aspects. Some were new and some were I had idea of, but it has been a learning curve overall. There has been multiple thinking and multiple brainstorming over different agendas. Some were put back again, and some we had worked quite a lot of time on. But yeah, overall it has a good tenure.
Could you highlight some of the core responsibilities of the GS Hostel Affairs that students might not usually notice?
So yeah, as the institutional secretary of the Hostel Affairs Board, I manage the services part and the infrastructure part as well. Services part usually involves mess, canteen, juice center, parlors, laundry, and on the infrastructure side, I manage the overall repair, infrastructure work, and maintenance related work in the hostels.
What has been the most demanding part of handling hostel related matters and coordinating between students and the administration?
So yeah, the most demanding part was obviously the different stakeholders. Like we had staffs, we had students. We have to consider all the needs of the multiple students. So yeah, the main point was getting everyone on the same page. Everyone has their own biases. Everyone has their own experience. They are a little hesitant regarding some new initiative, whether it would work or not. But yeah, it's the main position of working here was getting along with everyone and trying to come up with a solution.
What were some key hostel concerns or initiatives during your tenure that you believe require continued attention in the coming year?
So yeah, like one of the key hostel concerns which I faced during my tenure was like our campus has been quite old and we have grown quite a lot bigger community in comparison to earlier. So what I feel is कि if we need to change with the time, that the number of the students are increasing, the number of faculties are increasing, and according to that we need to revamp our system. Like we need to revamp our water pipeline, Wi-Fi facilities, and all the multiple facilities that has been from continuously here from a long time and which requires a major overhaul. And along with that, we have seen quite a time that there is a shortage of rooms in our hostels. So regarding that, this is the key concern which will be solved in the upcoming year, as there has been coming up multiple hostels for the solution of this. And regarding initiatives, I believe that the laundry initiative that which we have carried out this year, it would be a great initiative in the upcoming years, but we need to work on having active student participation in that also.
Next one, if you look back at your tenure, could you share one memorable highlight and one major challenge and how you navigated both?
So yeah, one memorable highlight would be in the beginning of my tenure, that is when there was fresher onboarding. There were multiple students coming, approximately 1500 plus students here onboarding, and there were issues in multiple hostels. I was traveling across all of the hostels trying to uh, listen to the concerns of the students as well as the parents, because some students have come out from their home for the first time. They were a little new to the campus. I was trying to make them aware about all their friends and all, how it's a new thing in the initially, but they will get used to it. And as for a major challenge, it was uh, the fees hike. Yeah. So as for the HAB, there was a large amount of money allotted as the hostel fund. So yeah, initially there were many concerns regarding that. How will be the utilization of that much fund? Will it be properly utilized or not? But yeah, we all the Gen 6 sat together. We worked on the allocation, how much part can be utilized for the infrastructure and how much part can be used for other hostel related activities. But yeah, and we came to a very good solution for that.
So, last one, what advice would you offer to students who are planning to contest for the General Secretary Hostel Affairs Board position?
So yeah, as for the contestants for the GS HAB elections, I would suggest them that they might still be in the agenda preparation stage. So I would suggest that they go to all the concerned stakeholders, try to meet as many students as possible, try to meet as many executives or as many senators, because they will try to give you a perspective and you can have a more impact of what was the situations in the last tenure and what all you can work on. It will be a new experience trying to meet so many people, but don't get disheartened by, like, some people will give you reviews, some people give you positive, some will have a negative. but doesn't matter much. You should work on trying to have a really impactful agenda, and yeah, all the best wishes from my side for the upcoming elections.
So this was Mr. Harshit Tomar, General Secretary of the Hostel Affairs Board, with us in the series of Anubhav. Clarity leads to informed voting.